guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can auto reframe your videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this Valorant video here and I want to post it on TikTok. So I am going to go to this section here. It is a pro feature, so select auto reframe. And you're going to select the ratio. So I want to post it on TikTok. So I'm just going to select the 9:16 ratio. And where is it? It's going to kind of adjust it like randomly here. And you're going to just select the image stabilization. There's normal, there's stable, camera moving speed as well. I don't know if you can like move the frame around here, so just keep that in mind. What is it? Okay, just go to like, for instance, this frame first. And once you're done, you're just going to hit the apply section and it's going to automatically reframe your video, but it's not super accurate. Maybe like if you find maybe this one, it will work a little bit better. Here, I mean kinda, but just apply it. It does, I guess, move it around. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.